guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are safe. Okay, so I asked you guys कि कल क्या देखना है वीडियो में. मैंने कल ही actually poll post किया था. तो you guys said we wanna watch Winter Essentials. So here is the video for that. Now I have a lot of stuff. बस यहाँ रखा हुआ है बहुत सारा सामान and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna maybe post some pictures here कि वो कैसा लगता है और maybe post some videos here. Basically show you कि how it looks and all of these items are very basic and according to me जो मुझे लगता है कि you know ये तो winter wardrobe essentials है ही. तो yeah, this video is gonna be all about that. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. Now the first basic things for winters जो मुझे लगता है कि सबके पास होनी ही चाहिए are turtlenecks, such kind of turtlenecks. I have one in white and one in this charcoal grey color, burgundy and obviously black. So definitely invest in you know these warm turtlenecks. ये आपको कहीं भी ऑलमोस्ट हर ब्रांड में स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग में बड़े आराम से मिल जाएंगे क्योंकि बहुत ही कॉमन और बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है एंड दीज आर लाइक परफेक्ट फॉर लेयरिंग एंड स्टफ. आई पर्सनली लव द वाइट वन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिकॉज आई लव वाइट एंड देन इसका जो फिट है ना वो बहुत अच्छा है और ये तीन तो मेरे सरोजनी से ही है and this one is actually a top. It's not that warm but ये मैंने पिछले साल लिया था Shein से but again this is also good for layering. I also made a video on how to style a basic turtleneck in you know some different ways last Saturday which was just 2 days before, so I'll link that video below in case you wanna watch it. And मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि काफ़ी similar items भी मैं नीचे link कर दूँ because these are like basics and I know everybody needs them. And I'm really sorry about the background noise but मेरे पड़ोसी शांत नहीं होते हैं and मैं इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Okay, the next thing I think that is mandatory for your winter wardrobe is a black hoodie. I know it's very basic but जो hoodies are they never you know they never go out of trend and you can actually style them in various ways. Let me know अगर आपको देखना है Style Saturday में how to style your hoodies. I'll definitely film that. So I have this one. This is very basic. ये actually श्रुत का था but अब ये मेरा है because I just claimed it कि ये मेरा है. तो yeah, and this is very warm actually और ये बहुत सही लगता है पहन के. Definitely invest in a black hoodie and if you are someone who doesn't like black, I don't know why, but you can obviously invest in other neutral shades, maybe beige, maybe white, whatever floats your boat. Just the idea was to tell you that you know hoodies are the it for winters. Anyway, आज पता नहीं क्यों मुझसे ना ढंग से बोला नहीं जा रहा है और मैंने बोलने वाली वीडियो चूज़ करी है फिल्म करने के लिए बट ठीक है हम करेंगे अगर हमने करी है तो. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू इंक्लूड इन दिस वीडियो इज अ स्कार्फ. दिस इज कॉल्ड ब्लैंकेट रैप स्कार्फ if I'm not wrong. So you just basically wrap it. Obviously there are a lot of ways that you can style your winter scarves in. इसका कलर इतना पसंद है. This is very cozy and you know just love the color of it. ज़्यादा explanation है नहीं मेरे पास and ये भी मैंने सरोजनी से लिया था. As you can see I have a lot of stuff from Sarojini because I'm lucky. I'll say I live here and I'm lucky and I have Sarojini, so मुझे इतने पैसे नहीं खर्च करने पड़ते हैं winter wardrobe पे. But yeah, and this was for I think 150 rupees, which is amazing. I will definitely link something similar below क्योंकि I know सबके पास Sarojini है तो I'll try to find the most reasonable pieces online and I'll link them below. Okay, next thing that I think is again essential for winter wardrobe is a skinny jeans. समर के लिए and I know लॉकडाउन के बाद तो सबको नफरत हो गई है जीन्स से but I think skinny jeans will always have a special place in our heart. I don't know because I just love skinny jeans and स्पेशली इन विंटर्स इट डज कीप यू वार्म. आप इसके नीचे वो थोड़े वार्म वाले टाइट्स आते हैं वो पहन लो और स्किनी जीन्स पहन लो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. स्किनी जीन्स इज अ मस्ट हैव फॉर विंटर wardrobe. And again you can also go for black jeggings. Try to invest in some black high waist jeggings. First of all, they keep you warm and they give you a nice shape to your body. You guys seem to love this one. I got this one from sale and I got this one from Zara. So Zara में मुझे usually bottoms में medium आता है and tops में small आता है. So this is in size medium and I love this one. I love how it looks like. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा high waisted है. ये जो मेरी upper waist line है वहाँ तक आती है. You can see कि कितनी high waisted है and it looks amazing. So yeah, definitely invest in some high waist jeggings. Next I want to talk about winter dresses. Now you can go for knitted dresses, something like this. I personally don't have one, but I really wish that I had it, but it's okay. It's not like I'm dying without it. But you can also go ahead and, you know, invest in some hoodie dresses. So this is very cute. I got this from Ginger. Ginger is a brand in lifestyle. उसमें काफ़ी cute कपड़े आते हैं, तो आप ये इस तरह की ड्रेसेस ले सकते हो. These look really cute with thigh high boots. It has a hood and it's very long. It comes till your knees and इसको you know shirt tights के साथ पैर करके boots पहन लिए and you're good to go. This is how it looks. I think it looks pretty nice. इसके ऊपर आप obviously एक और overcoat पहन सकते हो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है तो, and it will keep you super warm. I know काफ़ी clothes जो है वो इतने colorful नहीं है because I understand not everybody loves to wear that much of colors. I personally love to wear colors, but in this video we are just talking about basics for winters that you know you should have in your wardrobe. So this is one of that. Next thing that I will talk about is a black overcoat. Definitely go ahead and you know invest in some good warm black overcoat. Again, this is from Sarojini. As I told you, I live in Delhi, so it's easier for me to shop for winter wear from Sarojini, and plus it's cheaper. So yeah, this is like a double breasted coat and I really love this one. It's very warm and it's very stylish also because it has these cool button detailing going on and on its shoulder also. So all in all काफ़ी cool है. And अब हम coats की बात कर ही रहे तो I will, and you know that I will definitely recommend a trench coat. A trench coat is a must have. It gives you such a vibe, you know. तुम trench coat पहन लो and you are such a vibe. That's all. Okay, jokes apart. Trench coat will give you a very, I don't know, sophisticated type of feeling क्योंकि जो इसका shape होता है it's really nice. It looks really good and it suits every body type. Just go for the right size and you're good to go. I love trench coats, especially in this khaki color. I don't know, it just has something to it. This color is like, अगर तुम मुझसे मेरा favorite color पूछोगे winters में, it has to be this color. कुछ काफ़ी cozy vibes आती है जो भी brown वगैरह के shades होते हैं. Okay, this was it about the clothing part. I think is essential for winter wardrobe. And next I want to talk about your footwear. So I will definitely suggest you to, you know, go ahead and invest in some ankle length boots. Now these ones are from Aldo. I was gifted this by Aldo and I'm so grateful for that. But yeah, I will definitely link some down below. I know boots थोड़े expensive हो सकते हैं, but they will last you for like a long time. So make sure you buy those only जो आपको comfortable हो, जो आपको you know shoe bite ना दे ज़्यादा. क्योंकि I have purchased like सस्ते वाले boots also from Sarojini, but now as I am growing, मैं कपड़े पहन लेती हूँ Sarojini से, but I tend to not buy heels or maybe boots from Sarojini or other street markets क्योंकि ना वो इतना ज़्यादा comfortable नहीं हो पाता है. Like कपड़े चलता है, but for footwear I don't prefer street markets. Next thing that I wanna include in footwear are my knee-high boots. So I got these ones from स्ट्रेस मोड 2 साल पहले के है ये, एंड ये अभी भी बिल्कुल नए लगते हैं. आई नो दीज वर अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव. ये आई थिंक 8,000 के थे, एंड आई एक्चुअली वर्कड विद देम. देयर वाज सम इवेंट और आई थिंक स्टोर लॉन्च था कोई, तो हमें सबको जो भी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स थे वहाँ पे उनको एक 10 to 15K तक का वाउचर मिला था, एंड आई गॉट दीज एंड वन अदर पेयर. बट आई थिंक इस तरह के बूट्स आप ले सकते हो H&M से, एंड यू कैन गेट इट ऑनलाइन ऑन मिंत्रा वेरी इजीली. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई लिंक इट बिलो. बस देख लेना, और स्पेशली मिंत्रा पे तो वो ट्राई एंड बाय का ऑप्शन भी होता है. तो जस्ट मेक श्योर यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन स्पेशली फुटवेयर्स दैट यू आर बाइंग, क्योंकि कभी बहुत चलना पड़ता है. लाइक इन बूट्स में मैं इतनी कंफर्टेबल हूँ. आई वॉक्ड इन स्नो इन बूट्स के साथ. आई नो इसमें हील भी है, थोड़ी सी है बट दीज आर लाइक सुपर सुपर कंफर्टेबल. व्हेनेवर यू बाय फुटवेयर जस्ट लुक फॉर द कंफर्ट. आई विल से थोड़ा महंगा ले लो, चलता है वो. अगर आप पैसे ज़्यादा दोगे तो इट विल लास्ट यू. ऐसा है, ऐसे फालतू में नहीं चार्ज करते हैं ब्रांड्स. थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं बट इतना भी नहीं करते हैं. बट यू गेट द पॉइंट राइट. नाउ आई एम जस्ट blabbering. Yeah, so that was it about this winter essentials video. Let me know if you liked it, if you enjoyed watching it. Also, I am planning to film how to style knee-high boots in different ways for this style Saturday. So let me know अगर आपको यही देखना है, like if you like the topic or if you want to watch something else, let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to read your comments, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, bell button is very important. और क्या बोलना होता है लास्ट में बस शेयर कर देना अगर अच्छी लगी हो वीडियो तो. एंड आई सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम इन माय I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.